Good morning students. So previous video we have seen the derivation of equations in plane. So plane in normal form nodidvi, then equation of a plane perpendicular to a given vector and passing through a point, other derivation. Then equation of a plane passing through three non-collinear points we have seen. Then after that intersection of two planes. Then we have seen the equation in intercept form. Okay, then coplanarity of two planes and distance of a point from a plane. So ಇದಿಷ್ಟು 6 derivations ಏನಿದಾವಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ derivations ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So just I'll send you the notes of these all derivations. So all derivations including line and plane will come for 5 marks. So be prepared with the derivations. Based on each derivation we have the formula. Okay, so ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ you can easily solve the examples and you should know for which example you have to apply which formula. So we have seen few examples based on normal form previous class. We shall see next examples based on this. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, find the coordinates of foot of the perpendicular drawn from the origin. Okay, ಒಂದು foot of the perpendicular ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ origin ಇಂದ plane ಗೆ draw ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ. plane ಇಂದ equation ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ 2x minus 3y plus 4z minus 6 is equal to 0. This is the equation given to you. Okay, so normal form. Okay, normal form ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, this is your equation. If I solve this, root of 2 square plus 4 square plus 4 square. Okay, this is modulus of r or what you have taken. So this will be equal to root of 2 square plus 3 square, sorry. 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square is equal to root of 29 you get. Okay, so 4 square is 16. 16 plus 9 is 25. 25 plus 4 is 4 plus 9 plus 16. 16 plus 9 is 25. 25 plus 4 is 29. So ಇದೇನು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮದು x1, y1, z1 ಥ್ರೂ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಪ್ಲೇನ್, it is passing through this plane. Okay, so if I want to write it now in terms of that, so ಏನು ಬರಿಬೋದು ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ, 2 divided by root of 29 into x minus 3 divided by root of 29 into y plus 4 divided by root of 29 into z is equal to 6 divided by root of 29. So this is equation of a plane in normal form. Andre ಏನು, lx plus my plus nz is equal to d. Okay, L M N ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಸೈನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಸೈನ್ಸ್ ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೀನಿ. 2 by root 29 minus 3 by root 29, 4 divided by root 29 ಅಂದ್ರೆ this term divided by this divided by this divided by this. These are what direction cosines. So ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು lx plus my plus nz is equal to d. d ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ 6 ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So it will be equal to 6 divided by root of 29. So what are these? 2 by root 29 minus 3 by root 29 and 4 by root 29. These are what? Direction cosines. Okay. So one equation ಕೊಟ್ಮೇಲೆ I write it the direction cosines of this equation. So if you know the direction cosines, we know that direction cosines will be proportional to the direction ratios. Okay, so direction cosines ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ direction ratios ಗೆ proportional ಇರ್ತದ. So ನಾ ಏನು ಬರಿಬೋದು ಈಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ x1 divided by 2 by root 29. Okay, this will be equal to y1 divided by minus 3 by root 29 is equal to z1 divided by 4 by root 29 is equal to what? K ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೇನೆ, some constant. Okay, because I don't know what is the value of that constant, I take it as K. x1, y1, z1 if you want to find it now, you should know the value of K. Okay, so ನಾನೀಗ equate ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೇನೆ. x1 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, ಇದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2k ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ರೂಟ್ 29. y1 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮೈನಸ್ 3k ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ರೂಟ್ 29. z1 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 4k divided by root 29. So same thing I write here. x1 is equal to 2k divided by root 29. y1 is equal to minus 3k divided by root 29. And z1 is equal to, what is it? 4k divided by root 29. So idrinda x1 is equal to, I shift this term this side. So 2 into k divided by root 29. y1 is equal to minus 3 into k divided by root 29. z1 is equal to 4 into k divided by root of 29. Okay, now I substitute this equation here. Okay, to get the value of k. Okay, I want to get the value of k now. In order to get the value of k, I substitute the points here in this equation. Okay, or you can substitute in this equation also. Okay, so x1, y1, z1 points na naniga substitute ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Okay, if I substitute now, 2 by root 29 into, what is the value of x1? 2k divided by root 29. Okay, minus 3 by root 29 into, so this is minus 3k divided by root 29. Then plus 4z, it is 4 by root 29 into 4k divided by root 29 is equal to, what it is there? 6. Okay, so this is 2 2s are 4k divided by root of 29. So here you have root 29 into root 29. Minus into minus plus 9k divided by root 29 into root 29. So plus 16k, 4 4s are 16 divided by root 29 into root of 29 is equal to 6 divided by root of 29. Okay, so this is the equation what you have. So 4k plus 9k plus 16k, it is equal to 29k divided by root of 29 is how much? 29 itself is equal to 6 divided by root of 29. Root 29 into root 29 is 29. Okay, so here 29 and 29 get cancelled. You get the value of k as 6 divided by root of 29. Okay, so how to find the value of k? So first you have to take the direction cosines, then you have to substitute, then you get the points. It is how much? 6 divided by root of 29. Now I find the direction cosines. That itself is what? Foot of the perpendicular. So foot of perpendicular is what? x1, y1, z1. x1 value another 2k divided by root of 29. And y1 value minus 3k divided by root of 29. And z1 value 4k divided by root of 29. So k value substitute ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾನು. So 2 into k value 6 by root 29. Okay, here 2 by root 29. So root 29 into 29 is 29 itself. 6 2s are 12. So this becomes 12 by 29. And next 3 into 6, it becomes 18. 18 divided by 29. Then this one 4 into 6, it is 24 divided by 29. So this is the point x1, y1, z1. So ಈ ತರದ equations ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು x1, y1, z1 ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟು ದ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲೇನ್. ಒಂದು ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. LX plus my plus nz is equal to d. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಒಳಗದ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್. ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ನೀವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದರದ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. It comes out to be root of 29. Okay, 2 by root 29 L value minus 3 by root 29 M value 4 by root 29 N value. So these are the direction cosines. Once you get the direction cosines, so they are proportional to direction ratios. So x1 upon 2 by root 29, y1 upon 3 by root 29, z1 upon 4 by root 29 is equal to k antagori. Yavado constant term. Okay, x1 is equal to 2k divided by root 29, y1 is equal to minus 3k by root 29, z1 is equal to 4k divided by root 29 you get. Okay, so e values ಏನಿದಾವಲ್ಲ ಈ equation ಒಳಗೆ ನೀವು substitute ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, if you substitute in that equation number 1 you get okay 2 by root 29 as it is into x value 2k divided by root 29 minus 3 into minus 3 by root 29 plus 4 by root 29 into 4k divided by root 29 is equal to 6 by root 29. If you solve this whole equation you get the value of k as 6 divided by root 29. So k value find ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ x1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ತಗೊಂಡೇವಿ ನಾವು 2k by root 29, y1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3k divided by root 29, z1 is 4k divided by root 29. So substituting the values of k, you get the coordinates x1, y1, z1 as 12 by 29 minus 18 by 29, 24 by 29. So these are the coordinates from the foot of the perpendicular. Okay. So next I will move to the second form. So normal form mele examples mugitu. Last class 2 examples helide. So this class I have told you the third example. Next, find the vector and the Cartesian equations they have told you. Okay, which passes through the point 5, 2, minus 4 and perpendicular to the line with the direction ratios 2, 3, minus 1. So ಇದು ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಒಳಗದ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದ್ರ it is given equation of a plane which is perpendicular to a given vector and passing through a point. So you have to take with the second form of a plane, equation of a plane which is perpendicular to the vector and passing through the plane adala adan compare ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So this is given as what? Position vector. I take this as a 5 times of I plus 2 times of j minus 4 times of k. Using this I have written the position vector and it is proportional to the normal. So normal vector I take it as 2 times of I plus 3 times of j minus k. Okay, so next what I have to do is so it is given a is given, n is given. So now we can recall ಮಾಡಬೇಕು what is equation of a plane perpendicular to a given vector. So it is nothing but what? R minus a dot product with n is equal to 0. So this is equation of a plane which is perpendicular to the given vector. Okay, this derivation we have already done. So R I keep it as it is minus a value ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 5i plus 2 times of j minus 4 times of k. Dot product with what is n value? 2 times of I plus 3 times of j minus k is equal to 0. So this itself is what? Vector equation. Next, if I want the Cartesian equation, I have to substitute the value of r here. Okay, r value is equal to what? xi plus yj plus zk. So this is the general form of r. So I write now xi plus y times of j plus z times of k minus 5 times of I plus 2 times of j minus 4 times of k. Dot product with 2i plus 3j minus k is equal to 0. Okay, so this one I and I can take common. X minus 5 into I plus y minus 2 into j plus z plus 4. Minus into minus becomes plus 4 into k cap. Dot product with 2i plus 3 times of j minus k. Okay. So, new vector equation Nenpidra I dot I is 1, j dot j is 1, k dot k is 1. So I can now multiply easily. I dot I becomes 1, x minus 5 into 2. So 2 into x minus 5 plus j dot j is 1. So 3 into y minus 2 plus k dot k is 1. So z plus 4 into minus 1 is equal to 0. So this will be 2x minus 10 plus 3y minus 6 minus z minus 4 is equal to 0. So this is 2x plus 3y minus z minus 10 minus 6 minus 16 minus 16 minus 4 is minus 20 equal to 0. So this can be rewritten as 2x plus 3y minus z is equal to 20. So this is what equation of a plane in Cartesian form. Okay. So first 2 points ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರ. ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಇರುವಂತ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಒನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಎ, ದ ಅದರ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಎನ್. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟು ದ ಲೈನ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. Okay, now r minus a dot product with n is equal to 0. R keep it as it is, a value and n value you have to substitute. Okay, so that will be vector equation. If you want next Cartesian equation, so r iddalle xi, yj, zk you have to substitute. This value as it is, dot product with this is equal to 0. Okay, then I take the I factors on one side, j factors on one side, k factors on one side. Dot product with 2i plus 3j minus k is equal to 0. Okay, I dot I is 1, j dot j is 1 and k dot k is 1. Okay, so I can multiply now x minus 5 into 2, y minus 2 into 3, z plus 4 into minus 1. I have multiplied and got the equation of a plane. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. The second example. Next, find the vector equations of a plane passing through the points r 2, 5, minus 3, s, minus 2, minus 3, 5, 5, 3, minus 3. Vector equation find ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ here. So no need of substituting the value of r here, just you have to find the vector equation. So there are given, what are given? 3 points are given. When 3 points are given, obviously you should remember that this is an equation of a plane passing through 3 non-collinear points. So 3 points kottaga 3 non-collinear points anta remember ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So you have to write the position vector of that. A is equal to 2i plus 5j minus 3 times of k. Then B is equal to minus 2 times of I minus 3 times of j plus 5 times of k. And C is equal to 5i plus 3 times of j minus 3 times of k. So A, B, C, 3 vectors you have to take it. Now I write the vector equation for 3 non-collinear points. It is given by r minus a dot product with b minus a cross product c minus a is equal to 0. So I know that it is difficult to remember all the formula right now. So once you get with the derivations, all the derivations, so just list out the formula. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದು equation ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಯಾವ formula apply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ list out ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, so that it becomes easy to apply for the examples. Okay, so first thing you practice the derivations first for 5 marks. Later you can solve the examples. Okay, r I keep it as it is ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ vector equation ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. Minus a is what? 2i plus 5j minus 3 times of k. Okay, so dot product with, what is B? Minus 2i minus 3j plus 5k. B minus, what is A? 2i plus 5j minus 3 times of k. Okay, B minus A. Okay, cross product with C minus A. C is what? 5i plus 3 times of j minus 3 times of k. C minus A. A is again 2 times of I plus 5 times of j minus 3 times of k is equal to 0. Okay, so this is R minus 2i plus 5j minus 3k as it is dot product with. Okay, minus 2i becomes minus 4 times of I. Minus 3 times of j minus 5 times of j becomes minus 8 times of j. Plus 5k, minus into minus plus 5 plus 3 becomes 8 times of k. Okay, cross product with 5 minus 2, 3i, 3 minus 5, 2 times of j. Minus 3k, minus into minus plus 3k becomes 0. So this is equal to 0. This is itself the vector equation. Okay, in case Cartesian equation ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ r value ನೀವು substitute ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. That is xi plus yj plus zk. As it is not given, just write it this much. Okay, what I have done? Minus 2 is minus 4. Minus 3 plus into minus is minus. Minus 3 minus 5 is minus 8. Plus 5 minus into minus is plus. Plus 5 plus 3 is 8. Here 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 3 minus 5, sorry, because minus into plus is minus. 3 minus 5 is 2. Minus 3k, minus into minus plus 3k becomes 0. So this is the vector equation of a plane passing through 3 points, that is 3 non-collinear points. When it is given 3 non-collinear points, this is the vector equation for that. Okay, so next I'll take up with the next equation. Find the equation of a plane passing with the intercepts 2, 3, 4 on x, y, z axis respectively. This is very easy. Intercept form: a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to 4 they have given. So what is the intercept form? X by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1. So you can write x by 2 plus y by 3 plus z by 4 is equal to 1. So this itself is the answer. For 1 mark they may ask you, they may give you the 3 points and they tell you to write it in the intercept form. Very easy to remember. X by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1. Okay. Now what is the LCM now? 2, 3 and 4 LCM is 12. So I multiply here by 6. 6x plus 3 4s are 12. 4y plus 4 3s are 12. 3z is equal to 1. So you can write 6x plus 4y plus 3z is equal to 12. This is the equation of a plane in intercept form. Okay, so I'll move to the next example. Next 3 examples are remaining. Find the vector equation passing through the intersection of 2 planes. R dot I plus j plus k is equal to 6 and R dot 2i plus 3j plus 4k is equal to minus 5 through the point 1 1 1. ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಾರೆ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಹಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಫಾರ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ಸ್? ಆರ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ n1 plus lambda times of n2 is equal to d1 plus lambda times of d2. This is the vector equation of a plane passing through intersection of planes. So r dot n1 plus lambda times of n2 is equal to d1 plus lambda times of d2. So they have given r dot n1 is equal to d and r dot n2 is equal to d. So I write n1 value as I plus j plus k given here. Okay, next n2 value 2 times of I plus 3 times of j plus 4 times of k. d1 value it is given 6 and d2 value is given as minus 5. Okay, all the values are given to you. Now you have to just substitute them in the formula. So r dot product with what is n1 value? I plus j plus k, okay, plus lambda times of n2 2 times of I plus 3j plus 4 times of k is equal to d1 6 minus 5 times of lambda. d1 plus lambda times of d2. d2 value is minus 5 into lambda. Okay, so next I substitute the value of r here. What is r? xi plus y times of j plus z times of k. Okay, dot product with this one I take the I factors common and I can write it 1 plus 2 lambda into I plus 1 plus 3 lambda into j plus 1 plus 4 times of lambda into k is equal to 6 minus 5 times of lambda. Okay, you know that I dot I is 1, so I can write x into 1 plus 2 times of lambda. Okay, plus next j dot j is 1, so 1 plus 3 times of lambda into y. Next 1 plus 4 times of lambda into z is equal to 6 minus 5 times of lambda. Okay, so now I write x plus 2 into x into lambda plus y plus 3 times lambda y plus z into 1 z plus 4 times lambda z is equal to 6 minus 5 times of lambda. Clear? Now they have given it passes through the point 1 1 1, means x y z value is 1 1 and 1. I substitute now 1 plus 2 into 1 is 2 lambda plus y value is 1 plus 3 into lambda is 3 lambda plus z value is 1 plus here also z is 1, 4 times of lambda is equal to 6 minus 5 times of lambda. Okay, 1 plus 1 plus 1 3 plus 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 4 is 9 is equal to 6 minus 5 times of lambda. So I shift this minus 5 lambda to this side. So what is the final equation you get? 3. So you have got 3 plus 9 times of lambda is equal to 6 minus 5 lambda. Okay, shift this side. 9 lambda plus 5 times of lambda is equal to 6 minus 3. So you get 14 times of lambda is equal to 3. So lambda is equal to 3 by 14. So you get the value of lambda as 3 by 14. Okay, next you have to substitute the value of lambda in the given equation to get the required thing. Okay, so what is the given thing? I into bracket 1 plus 2 times of lambda plus j into bracket 1 plus 3 times of lambda plus k into bracket 1 plus 4 times of lambda is equal to 6 minus 5 lambda you had. This is what R dot product. So R dot product with I into bracket. What is lambda value? 2 into 3 by 14 plus j into 1 plus 3 into lambda value is 3 by 14 plus k into 1 plus 4 into 3 by 14 is equal to 6 minus 5 into 3 by 14. Yeah, substituting the value of lambda. So you get R dot product with I into bracket 1 plus 2 3s are 6 by 14 plus j into bracket 1 plus 9 by 14 plus k into bracket 1 plus 12 by 14 is equal to 6 minus 15 by 14. Okay, by taking the LCM you have to solve this. So once you solve this you get R dot product with 20i plus here 14 plus 9 is how much? 23 times of j plus here 14 plus 12 is 26 times of k is equal to 14 6 are this much minus 15 is 69. This is the vector equation. Okay, so intersection of two planes kottaga ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? So equation is what? R dot n1 plus lambda times of n2 is equal to d1 plus lambda times of d2. Okay, write the value of n1 from the given equation, write the value of n2 from the given equation, then d1 and d2 values. Substituting in this equation, you will get this. After substituting, take the value of r. R value is xi plus yj plus zk. Then taking out the common factors of I and resubstituting back. So x1 kade, y1 kade, z1 kade is equal to this much you take. 6 minus 5 lambda. Then it passes through the point 1, 1, 1 they have given. Substitute values of x, y and z. Okay. So you get the equation in this form. Then you can find the value of lambda. Okay. Once you get the value of lambda, again resubstitute that in the first equation. So finally you get this answer after taking out the LCM. So first ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತ equation ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದ್ಮೇಲೆ R value substitute ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. After substituting the value of R, take out the factors of I on one side, J on one side, K on one side. Then they have given it passes through one point, that is 1, 1, 1. So substitute for x1, y1 and z1. ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅದು substitute ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. After substituting you get the value of lambda. Then resubstitute the value of lambda in the given equation. So you will get the vector equation. So next, show that the lines, there are given two lines, x plus 3 divided by minus 3, y minus 1 divided by 1, z minus 5 divided by 5 and x plus 1 divided by minus 1, y minus 2 divided by 2, z minus 5 divided by 5 are coplanar ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, Coplanar standard equation x minus x1 divided by a, y minus y1 divided by b, z minus z1 divided by c. So I write the values of x1. x1 will be equal to minus 3, y1 is equal to 1, z1 is equal to 5. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಿರೋದೇ ಈ ತರ x minus x1 divided by a. So I take a1 here. Y minus y1 divided by b1 is equal to z minus z1 divided by c1. So x1, y1, z1. Next I take from this x2 is minus 1, y2 is 2 and z2 is 5 from this equation. Okay. a1 minus 3, b1 value 1, c1 value 5 from this equation. a2 value minus 1, b2 value 2, c2 value 5. Okay, so you have to write the formula now for this x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. This should be equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, then the given equation is coplanar. That is, lines are coplanar. So x2 minus x1 minus 3 minus of minus 1. Next y2 minus y1 1 minus 2. z2 minus z1 5 minus 5. Okay. a1 value minus 3, b1 value 1, c1 value 5. a2 value minus 1, b2 value 2 and c2 value is 5. Okay. So now this will be equal to minus 3 minus of minus 1. Okay. So this will be equal to modulus of minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. 5 minus 5 is 0. This is minus 3, 1, 5. Minus 1, 2, 5. Now I have to solve this equation. That is determinant formula. Minus 2 I keep it as it is. 1 into 5 is 5. 2 into 5 is minus 10. Then minus of minus 1 into bracket. This row and this column I delete. Minus 15. Minus into minus plus 5. Plus 0 into 3 2s are 6 minus 1. Okay, I have to solve the value of determinant. This is minus 2 into bracket 10 minus 5. It is minus 5. Minus into minus plus 1 into bracket minus 15 plus 5 is minus 10. Okay, plus 0 into term is 0. Now minus into minus is plus 10. Minus 1 into minus 10 is minus 10. So 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. So if you get the determinant value as 0, then the given lines are coplanar. So ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತ lines ಅಲ್ಲಿ x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2 you take it. Then a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 values ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. Determinant equal to 0 ಅಂತ prove ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ, then it is coplanar. Okay, then the lines are what? Coplanar. Okay. So last form what I had explained was find the distance of a point 2, 5, minus 3. ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, just like x1, y1, z1 from the plane equation ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ r dot n is equal to d formula ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. Okay, you should remember the equation of a plane. Okay, so using this is a position vector. I can take idar jote one position vector 2i plus 5 times of j minus 3 times of k. Okay, then n vector is given to you 6i minus 3 times of j plus 2 times of k, and d value is given as 4 units. Okay, if it is given distance formula, it is given by a dot product with n minus d divided by modulus of n. This is ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್. ಕಾರ್ಟೀಷಿಯನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ ಥರ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಇಫ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಇಟ್, ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ 2 times of I plus 5 times of j minus 3 times of k. Okay, dot product with what is n? 6I minus 3j plus 2k minus d is how much? 4 divided by modulus of n, that is root of 6 square plus minus 3 square plus 2 square. Okay, so this is equal to I dot I is 1, 6 2s are 12. J dot j is 1, 3 into 5 is 15. Then k dot k is 1, minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. Minus 4 divided by root of 36 plus 9 plus 4. Okay, so this is equal to 12 minus 15 is minus 3 minus 6 is minus 9 minus 4 is minus 13. So minus 13 divided by root of 49. So distance will be always positive. This comes out to be 13 by 7 units. So ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋಂಥ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ನ A ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. Given vector will be n. This is d. Formula is a dot n minus d divided by modulus of n. So this 3-dimensional geometry, all the examples based on each concept I have explained you one. So try to solve the last exercise. So last exercise alli baruanta ella examples, that is from exercise number 11.3. I have taken one example and have solved it. Try to solve exercise number 11.3 so that the complete 3-dimensional geometry chapter completes here. So each chapter important baruantadu derivations. Then based on derivations you get the examples. So solve exercise number 11.3. I have explained all the examples. So you can refer the video to solve the examples. So in exercise number 11.3 also, if you see, you will get the same kind of equations. So if you want to see here, exercise number 11.3, same it is followed up here. So try to solve the equation of a plane and a normal form kottidare. Equation of 3 points they have given. Intercept form they have given. Okay. Try to solve all these examples. So now the 3-dimensional chapter is completed. I'll be giving you the important questions on 3-dimensional geometry. Thank you.